Woohoo! It's Vlogtober week 3 days, what was it? 15 and 16. Yes, I'm a day behind yet again. But I have finished the first week of October on my crochet temperature blanket. Woohoo! There we are. This is done. And I just got started on the same thing on my knit one, and I am gonna have to go and buy 2 skeins of yarn because I was sitting there thinking maybe I only need to get one, and then I remembered when I do the knit strip for December I have to have black on one side and black on the other side because it's going to be the border in between November and December and the border on the end to finish the side of the blanket off. So I'm just like, well, poo. So I'm gonna end up doing that probably on Saturday. I'm gonna get 6 more of those baskets that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I kind of want those so I can put all my projects in them and get everything off that table so I can start using it again. So anyway, let me set this down. I did finish, did I just say that? I finished all of the black crochet blocks for the crochet temperature blanket. I finished the rest of that today while I was on my first break at work. I haven't done, haven't really started on doing the gray blocks. As soon as I can get done the first week of October on the knit one, I can make 2 gray blocks for week 2 and just finish the blocks for October, and then I can start focusing on doing November and December and getting those ready. No! Aw. I'll have to pick that up later. I still have quite a bit of this. So hopefully I can get however many of those blocks out of this, plus doing the single crocheting together. I do need to put the attach September on the crochet blanket and the knit blanket, and then do July, August, and September, add those to the rest of the crochet blanket. And then there'll only be 3 months left, and then poof, done with that. Border, yay. And figure out what to do with the backside. Because all those ends are just hanging out going, hi, how are you? So, not much else has been going on. This has been my main focus, trying to get the temperature blankets caught up. I'm just like, I'm so sick of working on this. It's just like, there's 3 months left. I just want it done. But yeah, my poor little skeins are over here hanging out, waiting to be used. You can see on the top, most of those are the first skein. And I'm going to end up having my first lilac, like, what day was that on? Let me find it. October 14th. It got down in the 30s overnight. Yep. So we're supposed to get that again tonight, but when I get up in the morning, it's not cold in here. I'm burning up, and I don't have my heater on. I don't even know if they've even been turned on. I haven't tested it. I still need to check the filter, the return air filter, and see if that needs to be replaced, which I'm pretty sure it probably does. So, who knows? I don't know. I have no idea. Anyway, yeah, that's all I've been doing other than dealing with this stupid thing. I've come this close to going to urgent care and to make sure it's not broken, but I need to go and find like an actual thumb splint, a metal one. That way I could just put it on there and not worry about it, because that brace, I have too much movement with that brace, and I need it like contained, and I don't know how to tape it to make it like that, but I'd rather have something sturdy over it so I'm not like messing with it and further injuring it. So knitting doesn't hurt. Knitting actually helped my thumb, because earlier my thumb did not want to bend, so this wasn't moving at all. I could just bend it right here, but I couldn't get this to go. I'm not going to try it on this because you can see it's like sticking. So anywho, I think that's all for this. And a little 5-minute-ish vlog update. And it's like really not much going on other than I'm just going to sit, binge watch Once Upon a Time, work on this and, well, edit, upload, rinse, lather, repeat with this thing. And then what I'm going to do tomorrow, I wonder if I should go ahead and do that, shoot a yarn with me episode or something, and then as soon as I get it done, edit it and upload it, because I did not shoot a Frog It Friday video because, well, thumb wants to be dumb, so I don't want to like further hurt it until I can get that splint. They didn't have one at my neighborhood Walmart, and I'm like, why? Maybe I need to go to like a super Walmart or something. I checked Walgreens, but Walgreens is hella expensive. Anyway, I'm going to let you all go. Hopefully your October, we're like at the halfway point of October. It's like, what? Anyway, let me know how your October is going, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.